Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce the new products at the front. So this one is a pressure gauge. We can using the high pressure cookers, and as we can see, they do have monitors on it, and also they handling about like a 0.25 MPa. And we do have some accessories. There are rubber gaskets and the screws. You can mount this part on top of the lid, and this one is go through the lid, and on top of the units you can twist in and then make it a little bit like a zip ties. And they have all the monitor informations right here to telling you what the pressure is right now and to help you to operate the pressure cooker safe. So this will be all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, let us know.